Hi guys, today we will learn how to create a user in Oracle Apex. Before starting, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and stay with us. Stay with us, my channel U Vibes. Let's start. How to create a user in Oracle Apex. First of all, you need to log on Oracle Apex. In my previous video, I created workspace. You can see from my YouTube channel UVibes playlist. You can see how to create a workspace in Oracle Apex. Now we create a Oracle. Today we create a user in Oracle in workspace which we created manual created in our previous video or we created in our previous video. So let's start. Our workspace name is ORACLEFX. Sign in. ORACLEFX 1. We are logging. So just we go here, administrator. You can see administration. So we click on manage user and groups. One user in this application are you in this workspace test one as created when we create when 18 minutes ago when we created our workspace. Then we created that user test one. Now we'll create another user. Create user, press create user, type any name, username. I put Ali, email Ali at gmail. You can put here first name, last name, description. This is optional. Account privileges. Here we assign a default schema. Okay. Here we this is very important. Two steps here. User is a workspace administrator or user is a developer. User has three type of user. User as a work administrator power. User as a developer. Developer means a user as Oracle Apex developer which user created Oracle Apex report and form and report. And third user only user just run those report and form. Third level. So you can see when I press yes, all app builder access, SQL workspace access, team Perm access, all by default is unable. When I press no, I'm saying that or a user is not administrator but user is a developer. User a developer. We can manage here. User can access app builder. We can access. We can give access from here. We can give access user developer or user access with a SQL workspace, access with a team problem access. So here we manage. Actually, this type is a top app builder access. If you press no, then this tab does not show on when user login from this user. You can say work SQL workshop. This is all tab not shown. This is which user don't have to access. Okay. Yes, I'm saying that this is the administrator user. This is also developer user, and third one is the password. Password. I'm typing password. Create user. Once user has been created, sign out. We now created test one. Connected with test one. Now we would connect with Ali. Workspace Apex Ali. Just press sign in. Apex Ali. You can see here I'm connected first time from this user, so Apex recommended me change password. I'm changing my password. This is very important that the Oracle user password has been sensitive. It means it uppercase and lowercase. You can the sensitive part. You can see here I'm connected with Ali workspace Oracle Packs. Thanks for you. Thanks viewer for viewing my video. Please subscribe my channel. Share my video. Thank you.